Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to delete room naming and the sizing, which is the square feet of the dimension. Okay, so let's say here I have a room where I have it in as for unnamed and the dimension is 49.74. So let's say we want to delete the naming and the sizing. Of course, we know that we cannot drag it out from the room, but there's way for us to hide the name and the sizing. So what you can do is you can go to display and then you can go to special info, untick to your name and area. So your room will have no dimension and there's no naming. I repeat again, to hide the naming and sizing, the square feet, you may go to display, special info, untick to name and area. So your room will have an empty naming and also dimension. There's no dimension and there's no naming. Okay, right? So that's all from me. Thank you.